Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. I feel confident today. I feel confident today.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
I am ready for today's work. I am ready for today's work. I have prepared everything. I have prepared everything. I will do my best. I will do my best. I focus on my work. I focus on my work. I learn new things. I learn new things. I solve problems. I solve problems. I improve every day. I improve every day. Hi, my friends. Hi, my friends.
How are you? How are you?
I am happy to see you. I am happy to see you. Let's go together. Let's go together. This coffee is great. This coffee is great. I love this place. I love this place. We share good moments. We share good moments. I enjoy this time. I enjoy this time. This food is delicious. This food is delicious. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed. This is a beautiful evening. This is a beautiful evening. I feel happy. I feel happy. I completed my work. I completed my work. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I learned a lot today. I learned a lot today. I will grow more tomorrow. I will grow more tomorrow. I speak English. I speak English. I am confident. I am confident. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I can achieve my goals. I can achieve my goals.